Okay, so I want to show you a fun little trick for threading your needles in a way that allows you to not have knots on the back of your embroidery work. This technique only works if you're using an even number of strands, so 2, 4, 6, and so on. So what you would normally do is pull out about 18 inches of floss for your stitching, but in this case we're going to pull out double that, and you can see I've already cut the length. Instead of pulling out our 2 strands, we're going to pull a single strand of floss out and set that extra aside. And take that 1 strand of floss and fold it in half with your 2 cut ends together so that you have this little loop down here. And then you're going to get your needle and you're going to thread those 2 ends. There we go. So you still have this little loop at the bottom. That's important. That's the magic of this technique. So you're going to take your first stitch on your project, just like you normally would, except that you're not going to pull the thread all the way through. So you're going to come up and pull part of it through, and you're going to leave that loop sitting on the back. You can see that that's still sitting there. And then you're going to come down with that first stitch, and you're going to run your needle through the loop, and that locks that stitch in so that there's no knot on the back of your embroidery.